I have eaten apples. This one is a present perfect and it has an object which is apples. In the past, when we have an object in the sentences, we are using man instead of s. So we don't use s, but we are using man. So this is how we start our sentence. We'll say here man. Then we are saying our object. This is our object, which is apples. But in the past tense, we don't use plurality suffix on the object. So we'll just say sieve, because we'll show our plurality on our verb. The verb here is will have a suffix which is xwar, xwarine. The suffix here, this one, help us to understand our object is plural. So at the end it will be man sieve xwarine. I have eaten apples.